Dear student, good afternoon. Today our topic of discussion is trans effect, which is part of your syllabus C paper C13 of semester 6. Trans effect was elaborated by Russian chemist Chernyov, which help in better understanding of kinetic behavior of square planar complexes. In particular, it is also applicable in the case of octahedral complexes, but to a very limited concept. Trans effect is the ability of an attached group to direct substitution in a position trans to it, that is opposite to it. Such a group has a marked influence on the rate of the reaction. For example, let us consider the substitution reaction given in figure 1. I have already supplied a photograph, a picture. You just concentrate on figure 1. Since chloride ion has a greater effect than ammonium in the square planar complex given in figure 1, the chloride ion trans to chloride and not to one which is trans to ammonia is replaced by C2H5. Sorry, C2H4, that is ethylene. Similarly, in figure 2, since ethylene has a greater trans effect than chloride ion, the chloride ion trans to ethylene and not the one which is trans to chloride ion is replaced by ammonia. Now just concentrate on figure 2. Then you will be able to understand it. On the basis of trans effect, a series has been constructed in increasing order of trans effect in which the ligands are arranged from in increasing order from ammonia, chloride, thiocyanide and cyanide, which has the maximum trans effect. From this series we observe that ligand which can form pi bond by accepting a d orbital electron from platinum 2 are placed as higher trans effect group. Trans effect is a kinetic phenomenon affecting the magnitude of the activation energy of a reaction. The stability of both the ground state and the activated complex can in principle affect the activation energy required for the substitution reaction. In other words, we can say that any factor that changes the stability of a ground state or which changes the stability of activated complex would contribute to the trans effect shown by the ligand attached to it. There are three theories of trans effect. One is polarization theory, second is pi bonding theory, and third is molecular orbital theory. I will discuss molecular orbital theory in my next class. Today I will only discuss the two theories, that is polarization theory and pi bonding theory. First, let us discuss the polarization theory. This theory is primarily concerned with the effect on the ground state. It means that it is not concerned with the transition state, rather it is concerned with the ground state. To understand it, let us concentrate on figure 3, which I have supplied you. In the figure, there are, let us consider the two bonds Lm and Mx, which are trans to each other in a square planar complex. Suppose the ligand L is more polarizable than ligand X. The primary charge on the metal ion polarizes the electron charge cloud over L, and this induces a dipole in the ligand L, which is shown in the figure. The dipole in the L, the in turn induces a dipole in the central metal ion M as shown. The orientation of this dipole over the metal ion is such that it repels the negative charge in the ligand X, which is trans to L. Hence the ligand X would be less attracted by the metal ion because of the presence of ligand L. According to polarization theory, the polarization of a ligand is directly related to its trans effect. That is, higher the polarizability of the ligand, higher will be its trans effect. One important fact that we should note that is in this theory, it only mentions about the trans effect of ligand present in the, it do not mention anything about the, in the ground state, it do not mention anything about the about the energy state of activated complex. Now, we will discuss the second theory, which is known as pi bonding theory. Trans effect of ligands such as NO, CO, ethylene, cyanide, etc. group can be explained by this theory because these groups contains pi electrons, pi bondings. Before discussing this theory, you please concentrate on figure 4. This figure contains 3 figures independently. Now, according to this theory, pi bonding theory, the vacant pi or antibonding pi orbital on the pi bonding ligand accept lone pair of electron from the filled d orbitals of the central metal, which may either be dxz or dyz orbitals to form a metal ligand pi bond, either d pi or d pi p pi. In the present case, that is in the case of platinum complex which we have taken, that is PTLX3, where platinum is in +2 oxidation, L is pi bonding ligand. By overlapping of a pair of electron of the dyz orbital of the platinum 2 with the empty pz orbital of the pi bonding ligand L, the formation of d pi p pi bonding increases the electron density in the direction of L, but decreases the electron density in the opposite direction, that is the direction opposite to L, that is direction of mx bond, which is trans to L. Thus the PTX, that is central metal ion, and the X bonding between central metal ion and the X bond trans to L is weakened. Due to the weakening of the PTX bond trans to L, this facilitates the approach of the entering ligand Y. This ligand approaches the central metal ion in such a way that its lone pair of electron is in the direction of decreasing electron density to give a 5-coordinated transition complex having configuration PTLX3Y, which is shown in figure 2. In the figure 4. The transition complex loses ligand X to form a PTLX2Y. This complex P2LX2Y is formed by replacing the ligand X trans to L by incoming group Y. Important point which should be noted in this is that the transition state complex changes its structure from square planar to trigonal bipyramidal structure, in which the two X ligands are cis to L both in the initial state as well as in the final state. According to the Orgel, the increased stability of transition state is due to the pi bonding. The reason for this is that the electron density on platinum 2 is reduced along PTX and PTY direction. Such an activated complex will lead to retention of the configuration and predict that the properties of Y and L will influence the rate of reaction. Now, thank you. one thing I want to make clear, that if you have any problem, because this particular topic needs number of figures that has to be discussed elaborately, and I do not have that independence to discuss in the board, but you can take the help of the figure which I have applied, that is a 4 figure, and even if you have any problem, you just contact me or WhatsApp or telephonically. Thank you.